Throughout the course, you're going to be asked to reflect and add things to your portfolio. Your portfolio can be found on the course homepage. Simply click on ePortfolio. When it asks you to upload files, My Portfolio, click on the Add Files button and click Upload. You can choose the file that you would like to add. In this case, I'm talking about my ABC News report. And you can also add multiple items at once. So you can either drag and drop them into this box, or you can click Upload multiple times until you're happy. And you can click Add Portfolio. And the items that you've added have been uploaded. Click on the little arrow here. If for some reason you want to delete it, you can delete it here and re-add it if you're not happy with it. And you can also click View. View gives you the file where you can click Open File and it will show you. And this is where the reflection page is. So click on the Add Reflection button. And when you're instructed to add a reflection to something, this is where you would do it. So give it a title that matches the assignment, in this case, ABC News Report, and reflect on the item as you are required. In this case, I'm going to make a really short one that says, I had trouble planning my news report. I used a graphic organizer to plan my work and it helped me. I found the format easy to follow. So this wouldn't be an example of a great reflection, but it's just showing you how you would do it. And then you click Add. And the reflection is added to your report. So if you go back to my items, you'll see that you have your document as well as the reflection. So you can click on the little comment here that looks like a bubble, and your reflection would be located there. You can return back to the ePortfolio page by clicking on the ePortfolio tab, and it will also arrange your reflection with your document underneath. You could also make a comment about, I thought this was a neat assignment. You can use this to communicate with your instructor, or you can do this just to make some notes to yourself as well, and simply click Add Comment to add it to your assignment.